Hello everyone, welcome to Microsam. In this tutorial video, we'll be learning about how to get quickly started with Microsam. Segment Anything for Microscopy is an implementation built on top of Segment Anything by Meta AI. It specializes itself for microscopy domain and implements automatic and interactive annotation for the microscopy data. Its core components are interactive data annotation with Napari, the Microsam library to apply segment anything to 2D and 3D data and fine tune it on your own data, and the Microsam models that are publicly available for the microscopy domain. Now let's get started with the installation. There are three ways to install Microsam. The recommended way is from Mamba, which can make use of all the functionalities. An alternate to it is the installation from source for setting up a developmental environment and allowing you to contribute to our software. And the third one is from installers to make the installation possible without using Mamba. Note that this is supported only for Windows and Linux, and it's not supported for GPU users. For this tutorial, we'll be learning about the installation from Mamba. Mamba is a drop-in replacement for Conda, which is much faster. If you're not aware of Mamba, you can follow the instructions here to install Mamba. It's important to note to not install anything in the base environment. Microsam can be installed in an existing environment via the command mentioned here. Or you can also create a new environment to install Microsam with the command mentioned here. For this tutorial, we'll be creating a new environment to install Microsam. Let's go ahead and install it using Mamba. The installation often takes a few minutes. And there we go. The installation is done. Now let's go ahead and activate our installed environment. And all we have to do is open Napari. Now here is the GUI interface for Napari. Let's go to plugins, and there we see segment anything for microscopy. Here are all the supported features from segment anything for microscopy. And the first one is annotated 2D, which is used for annotating 2D images. The next one is annotator 3D for annotating 3D images. The next one is annotator tracking for tracking time series data. The next one is image series annotator for annotating a series of images. The next one is fine tuning for fine tuning on your custom image dataset. And the last is setting for global settings of the tool. Now let's go ahead and get quickly started with annotator 2D. Here is the GUI interface. Let's open a 2D sample image. There we go. Let's put it at the bottom so that the other layers are visible. On the top right, we make the model choice for segment anything. Let's go ahead and choose the VIT B model, and then we compute the image embeddings. There's a progress bar which tells you how much time it takes, which is a couple of seconds. Let's choose a box prompt and place it on our object of interest. And here is the option for segmenting the object. Let's go ahead and press it. And there we go. The object has been segmented. Now let's go ahead and commit our segmented object. And there we go. This was the video on installation and how to get quickly started with Microsam. For more details, watch out our next video on the 2D annotator. Thank you so much.